Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to be doing an August Detox Box unboxing. I'm going to show you everything that is in the August Detox Box. This box was super kindly gifted to me by the Detox Market, but this video is not sponsored, meaning I'm not being paid to make this video, but I just thought it would be fun if I did a little unboxing for you guys and let you guys know about what is in this month's box. This month's box features the brand Innersense, which is an organic hair care brand. And before I get into the unboxing and letting you guys know about the products that are in this month's box, I want to let you know a little bit about the Detox Market subscription box. If you're not familiar with it, this part will be super quick, but I just want to mention it. So basically this is a subscription box you can get from the Detox Market where you'll get always at least $110 worth of clean beauty. They normally have one or more featured brands each month. Normally it is one brand that is featured, and then it ships the first week of the month or whenever you order it. So I know I'm posting this video a bit late. I was away from home, so I wasn't able to film this as quickly as I wanted to, but it is still August, so this box is still available for purchase. So if you were to do it monthly, the price is $58.95 a month. If you were to sign up to do 3 months, it would be $45.95 a month. Or if you were to sign up to do 6 months, it is $39.95 a month. So if you sign up to get it for a longer period of time, you're gonna get a better price. But all of those prices are a great deal because again, for each box, you get $110 worth of clean beauty. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. This month's box, again, features the brand Innersense. So here is a look at the products. This box includes 5 full-size products. These are all hair care products, and I've actually tried some of these products and I'm a big fan of them. So the first thing in the box is the Pure Harmony hair bath. This originally retails for $30. This is a gentle sulfate-free shampoo for fine to normal hair types. It's crafted with aloe, pumpkin seeds, shea butter, and coconut oils that cleanse without stripping. It has orange flower oils to add an uplifting scent. It leaves hair feeling clean, balanced, and full of body without residue or dryness. So I tried this shampoo, oh man, probably several years ago. I think this was actually quite a while ago. This was, I think, one of the first clean beauty hair care products that I tried, and it smells really, really good. I wish I could send the scent through the screen. It honestly kind of smells like candy. It just has a really nice uplifting scent, but I don't know. It almost smells like Skittles or something. It smells really, really good. And I do really like this shampoo. Again, I tried this a long time ago, but I remember really liking it. So it's really nice. It definitely takes a little bit of getting used to if you're not familiar with using clean hair care products, because they don't necessarily lather up as much like a regular other like conventional shampoo does. So that is something to get used to, but this still does lather up. It just doesn't lather up as much as other conventional shampoos. But I really, really like this, and it does leave my hair feeling nice and clean. The next item is the Pure Inspiration Daily Conditioner. This also retails for $30, and this is described as a lightweight conditioner that is suitable for all hair types, especially for dryness or frizz. It uses rice bran oil and aloe to smooth and strengthen the hair shaft, with orange flower oil for shine. Its silicone-free formula hydrates without weighing hair down. I also really enjoy this conditioner. I tried this one years ago as well, and I just remember liking it. It left my hair feeling nice and soft. It does have a nice scent to it as well. So then the next thing is their Detox Hair Mask. I've also tried this product before, and this retails for $30. This is described as a clarifying treatment with charcoal, kaolin clay, and organic white vinegar to remove buildup and impurities without stripping natural oils. It says use it 1 to 4 times per month. It's supposed to help to refresh, balance, and renew the scalp and hair. So this is basically, like you would imagine, is a detox mask. So it's supposed to help with removing buildup and residue. The charcoal, kaolin, and white vinegar is supposed to help with drawing the microparticles to the surface without stripping hair of natural oils, and it says it's good for all hair types and textures. So I used up an entire thing of this as well. I used this one actually more recently, probably a few months ago. I think I finished this up, and I did like it. It is, again, you know, a detox mask, so it's not something that you're using like all the time. You're only using it every once in a while. They say, again, like 1 to 4 times per month, so you could use it you know, every week, but I think I was using this more like every other week. But yeah, so it helps to kind of remove buildup. So I did like that as well as a hair mask. And then the next thing is the Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner. This retails for $28. This is described as a lightweight detangling spray that adds moisture, shine, and manageability. It's infused with emollient oils, herbs, flower essences, bee-friendly honey, and lavender for a soothing fragrance. It keeps hair soft and ready for any style. I'm not quite sure if I've used this before. I'm pretty sure I've used one of the Innersense leave-in conditioners before, and I think this might be the only one that they have. And I do remember it leaving my hair really nice and soft. It does a really great job at detangling your hair. If you get knots, sometimes I will get knots in my hair, so something like this can really help to detangle knots. So yeah, I do remember liking this in the past, so I'm super excited to have it again. And then the last item is the Hair Love Prep Spray. This retails for $28. I have not tried this before, but this is described as a priming spray that strengthens and protects hair before styling. Vitamin B and rice protein restore strength and shine, while baobab and angelica root protect against heat, UV, environmental exposure. It adds body, shine, and style retention for all hair textures. Very curious to try this. I will say though, I do not heat style my hair super often, so I don't know how often I will reach for this, but if you are looking for an organic or just clean beauty heat protectant spray, then this is definitely one I would say that is worth checking out. So those are all of the items in the August 2025 Detox box. This is a really great box with a really great value. The total value of this box is $146, so that is a great value, especially when you're only spending $58.95 a month, and that's if you're doing the monthly version of the subscription box. But again, you can even get it for a cheaper price if you do 3 months or 6 months. But yeah, overall, just a really great value. I feel like this box is just really, really good. And I love the detox boxes because I feel like they're just such a great way to try out new clean beauty and be able to do that for a more affordable price. So yeah, that's really fun. I think this is a really great box. If you are interested in trying out the detox box, I will have it listed and linked in the description box below so you can easily find it. But I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you do have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you're not already subscribed and you'd like to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.